Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Netflix error code E100. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your phone settings. Over here, search for iPhone storage and tap on it. After that, sort the applications by name and scroll down to find Netflix. Then tap on Netflix and select Offload app. After the app is offloaded, reinstall it. If that doesn't work, try using a different internet connection. Over here, if you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. And if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. Then, if you're on a PC or have Netflix open on multiple tabs or devices, close any extra tabs or sessions. So that's basically how you can fix Netflix error code E100. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.